Hey, what's going on, fitness fam? Y'all already know what it is, man. It's your boy Reek, the fitness freak. I'm on here at the beautiful Bay Shore with it, man. About to get this calisthenics work in. And I'm gonna also talk about the pros and cons about calisthenics. So if y'all looking forward to that, bear with me and let's get this workout in. And y'all know what I always say: it's either we go hard or we go home, and we gonna go hard and go home afterwards. So let's get this work in. Uh, Hey, but first we're gonna get started with these pull-ups. I'm gonna do 10 pull-ups, and then after that I'm gonna go into 20 push-ups, and then after the 20 push-ups, I'm gonna go ahead and do 50 squats. And we're gonna do this about 5 times. So I'm gonna try and just get everything done within one take. Uh, I'm gonna try and get everything done within 5 or 10 minutes. I'm gonna see how it goes, but hey, let's get it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, straighten them push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, then straighten into squats. 50 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. All right, that's one set down. Got 4 more to go. Few minutes rest. All right, starting in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Pull-ups. 8, 9, 10. Straight into it. Then the push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, straight into them squats. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. All right, set 2 in the books. Couple of second rest. Hopefully we make time. Whew. All right, we starting in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Strength and squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. All right, good. All right, set 3 in the books. On to set 4. Couple minutes rest. All right, set 4 in effect in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's get it. 4. Yeah, go ahead. You. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. All right, one more set, y'all. Y'all still with me up there? One more set. Definitely feeling it. Too bad, cause we starting in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Last set. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straight into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Them squats, boy. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Man. Whew. Hey, what was that? 5 sets in the books. That's what I'm talking about. Woo. Good work, good work. Well, folks, there you have it, man. That's my calisthenics routine right there. And, oh yeah, I promised y'all I was going to tell y'all about the pros and cons about calisthenics. And thing is, it's not really nothing bad. It's just, the cons is I like to go over the bad news first. The cons mean that if you're a person trying to gain mass, like if you're just like a naturally slender built person and you're trying to put on mass on you, it's going to be hard to do that with calisthenics alone. You definitely got to get in the weight room. And on top of that too, it's hard to really get any like isolation movement in because you can't really do that with calisthenics. You could like do different variations, and yes, you can like do different like muscle groups with calisthenics, but you can't really isolate to like tweak to get like in between those hard to get muscles, like in the particular area that you're working on, if I'm making sense. But that's pretty much all the cons with it. It's not really nothing bad with it. But the pros though, like it's good for like getting your endurance, man, like your muscle endurance and like your stamina, man, it's gonna be through the roof. And like it's gonna improve like your overall circulation throughout your body. And if you're a person trying to like reduce the fat percentage on you to the point like where you want to see like muscle definition and get ripped, man, calisthenics is the workout for you, man. And like it also like improves your ab strength depending on how you do it. Mainly if you go nice, slow, and controlled with it, the more you engage in the core, and that core is going to be something, man. And it's going to like really make those abs pop out. So what is another one, man? I feel like I'm missing something. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But like on a day like this, man, like especially you live in Florida, what's not, man, like, man, just knock out a bunch of, push-ups, pull-ups and all of that. Especially if you're in the hot sun, sweating it out, like detoxing your body, have your shirt off, man. It's good for you, man, really. You can't go wrong with it, man. So definitely like spend a day just focusing on like calisthenics, man, for sure. And then, like it'll get you right, man. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. But make sure, subscribe to the channel and drop in a comment what y'all want me to go over next, man. But until then, man, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace out.